Good morning, everyone. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan met the union minister and discussed the development of Charkhi Dadri. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan met former Chief Minister and Union Power Minister Manohar Lal in Delhi and discussed the development of Charkhi Dadri constituency apart from political issues of Haryana. During this, the MLA also informed about the municipal elections to be held in Haryana as well as the public problems in his area. After the meeting, MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that apart from the political issues of Haryana, he informed the former Chief Minister and Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar about the solution of CCI in Charkhi Dadri. Apart from this, discussions were also held on taking forward the development in Charkhi Dadri. Awareness camp will be organized by DLSA today, Charkhi Dadri. An awareness camp will be organized by the District Legal Services Authority regarding the schemes of the Social Welfare and Welfare Department in which any needy person can come and get information. Also, eligible citizens can also apply in the camp for the benefits of the schemes. This camp will be organized in the office of the Social Welfare Department near Mejban Chowk, Charkhi Dadri. Deputy Commissioner heard the problems of citizens in Samadhan camp. Instructions given to officers to take immediate action. Samadhan camp is being organized successfully by the district administration on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. The inclination of citizens towards to camp solve their problems in increasing the complaints of Samadhan camp are being resolved on priority by the district administration. Citizens are also expressing satisfaction towards the hearing of the problems being done by the officers of the district administration in the Samadhan camp. In the Samadhan camp organized on Wednesday, STM Ashish Sangwan and CTM Jitendra heard the problems of the citizens in the camp organized from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. The present officer were instructed to the immediate action to resolve the complaints registered on a quick basis. He said that during the Samadhan camp, citizen came with issues related to family identity card, ration card, Ayushman card, social security pension and under government scheme and police department. Most of them problems were resolved on the spot. It is the priority of the government and administration to resolve the problems of the citizens quickly. He said that through the Samadhan camps, the administration ensures that every citizen has easy access to government services and schemes and their problems in availing the benefits of government schemes and services are resolved quickly. He said that the Samadhan camps being organized by the government are proving to be effective in the resolving the problems of the common people. The camp is being appreciated by the common people because they have got a better platform to get their problems resolved where officers of various departments are present under one roof and resolve their problems. Applications for Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration till February 21. The last date for setting recommendations for Prime Minister's awards from excellence in public administration has been extended to February 21. All department heads can send recommendations of those who fulfill the conditions or criteria prescribed for these awards. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that these awards will be given in three categories. Five awards will be given under the first category, which will be given for the overall development of the districts under 11 primary sector programs. In the second category, five awards will be given under the aspirational block program. Six awards will be given in the third category, under which they will be given for innovations done by central ministries, departments, status and districts in this resort. One can contact on pmawards.gov.in portal and telephone number 112-3369996. Those who put up flax banners in the city should be careful. Action will be taken under Public Property Act. People who spoil the beauty and cleanliness of the city by putting up flax banners now have to face legal action. Action will be taken against such people by the Municipal Council under Public Property Defacement Act. Under this, the guilty can be fined and punished both. Regarding this, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma says that the municipal council is working to keep the city clean and tidy, and efforts are being made to make the city beautiful. In such a situation, any institution or citizen puts up flags, banners anywhere due to which the beauty of the city is spoiled. He said that according to the Public Property Defacement Act, putting up flags banners in this way is a legal offense, and who do this be fined and punished both. Regarding this, the municipal council has been instructed to take action against such people. Now, the municipal council will take strict action against those who put banners, posters, and flexes ityadi on various places like templates, public places, community halls, public toilets, ityadi for various schools, coaching centers, social organizations, institutions, religious programs which are spoiling the beauty of city, and channels will be issued to such institutions and citizens. The municipal council has appealed to use digital media as much as possible for publicity and contribute in making the city clean. Registered committees should get renewal the new act. The municipal council has appealed to use digital media as much as possible for publicity and contribute in making the city clean. Registered committees should get renewal under the new act. It is necessary for all registered committees to get renewal under Haryana Committee Registration and Regulation Act 2012. For this, relative documents can be uploaded and fees can be deposited on the department's website haryanaindustries.gov.in. Apart from this, the committees which are already registered under the new act, Haryana Committee Registration and Regulation Act 2012 and who have got their renewal done under the act, they will have to submit the related documents and prescribed fees along with the elections of the committee and annual return ityadi in the district registrar's office on time as per the provisions of Haryana Committee Registration and Regulation Act 2012, and otherwise action will be taken against the committees violating the act as per the rules of Haryana Committee Registration and Regulation Act 2012.